Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranbury Fields, and today I want to show you guys how to make your own homemade hand sanitizer. I know it's really hard to find this product now, so we're going to show you how to make your own at home. And it's really simple, guys. It's just 3 ingredients. You're going to find 99% alcohol, and you're going to use 2/3 cup of that, and then you're going to mix that with some aloe vera, which is 1/3 cup, and then you're going to add just a couple drops of essential oils like lavender, just a few drops, and that's going to be the entire concoction, and we're going to do it right now. So guys, if they don't have the 99% alcohol, I know it's hard to find that on shelves too. I mean, you could try to find the 70%. Some people say it won't work as well. Some people say it's not worth it. I don't know. My thought is you have to kind of work with what you got. So if you can't find the 99, try this with the 70, but they said you should use a little bit more of the alcohol if you're using the 70%. But the ultimate, do it yourself, is to get the 99% type. You're going to mix that just in like any kind of mixing bowl. So you got your alcohol, 2/3 cup. You're going to take your aloe vera and you're going to bring it to the 1/3 mark. Okay, get that in there. You're going to mix these guys together. I'm going to add a few drops of the essential oil to make it smell really good. And that's it, guys. Now we're going to use a funnel, and I cleaned out a soap dispenser. Make sure you label it so that you know what it is. We put down hand sanitizer there. And I'm going to put it in the funnel. And that's it, guys. I'm going to put the pump back on that we cleaned out really good. I'm going to give it a little shake just to make sure everything's mixed really well. And now I have some hand sanitizer. So guys, I also wanted you to know that we have a Healing Plants series on our YouTube channel. So please feel free to hop on over to that. We'll put a link below to those other videos that are coming out, and there's more coming out this spring. And also know that you can join us on Instagram, and please let me know where you're viewing this from in this great big beautiful world that we love to see where our flower tribe is growing each week. So I hope you guys found this video useful. And listen, once again, we're going to get through this. This too shall pass, but in the meantime, wash your hands as much as you can and stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.